Hey folks, Thumb here. In this super quick Blender tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make grids really quickly and really easily. Whether it's for animation, games, or for your 3D prints, it's super quick and super simple. So without further ado, fire up Blender and let's get started. Okay folks, let's say hello to our friend the default cube and then hit X to delete our old friend the default cube. We're going to hit 7 to go into the overhead view mode, 7 on the numpad. Shift A and then bring in a plane. Now I'm going to show you how to do this super easy. If we just go into edit mode, we can go subdivide, subdivide, subdivide. You can actually subdivide this as much or as little as you want to create the basic grid pattern on here. Now it's really easy. All we have to do is go into object mode, not edit mode. Go to our modifiers panel, add modifier, generate, and then we have this amazing little modifier down here called wireframe. If we click that, you'll see it basically grabs all of the edges and then creates this wireframe model, which means we can make grids super quickly and super easily. I'm going to increase the thickness here to whatever I want or whatever you want. And then if we have this like unclosed edge, we just hit boundary and that's going to add an edge on there. And that is it. First grid done. So let me just move this over to the left and then I'll demonstrate how to make another one with a different pattern on there. And you'll see that, basically it's the limits are your own creativity. So I'll hit Shift A, add another plane here, and then I'm going to go into edit mode. I'm going to subdivide again, subdivide, subdivide. Now this time I'm going to hit 3 to make sure I'm in face select mode, right click, and I'm going to hit this button which does poke faces, which creates all of these triangles. Now I want a diagonal grid pattern rather than the horizontal grid pattern here. Now how do I do that? Well, what I can do is in edge select, I can select this edge, I can select this edge, then I can hit Shift G to bring up the select similar menu, and I'm going to choose direction. Now it's going to leave all my diagonal lines and just grab the horizontal and vertical lines. And then what I can do is I can go right click. Actually, sorry, I can hit X to delete and dissolve edges. Now it will dissolve all those edges, leaving this grid pattern on here. And as you can guess, if we go back into object mode, add modifier, generate, and then wireframe, we now have this beautiful diagonal grid. So I'm going to put boundary on again, change the thickness here, bring this up a little bit. And there we go. 2 incredible grid patterns, which you can add to your 3D models. You can do this on rectangles or whatever shapes you want. And it'll just elevate your models or your own 3D art and designs. And that's it, folks. Easy as that. And that's it, folks. Super simple grids you can add to your games, animations, or even your 3D prints. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, ring the bell. I'll have more tutorials coming next week. Next, we're going to deal with complicated weaves, which will be super fun. You've been awesome. I've been Thumb. I'll see you in the next one.